Okay, so what we're doing here is making a pin to make those 3 wires, or in this case now 4 because of the linearity control connector, pluggable. So I took an old 9-pin socket, busted it up, then you take a piece of wire, in this case this is the horizontal screen connection, you connect it up to the screen, use good proper mechanical and soldering practices here. And then when you're all done, you put a piece of heat shrink on it, like on this one here. This is the horizontal linearity connector. Excuse me. So it holds on there pretty firmly. And you end up getting something that looks like this. Some heat shrink that got a little cooked. And as you see, it just plugs right in on top of the stake. I'll try to do this in one hand, not destroy anything in the process. It's so hard to do one-handed, sorry. Anyway, let me just set it down. I don't know if we pick up on this thing or not, but we'll try. And you end up putting it on, and we're good to go. And there you go. Now this will end up going over this pot. Oh, one thing, this little pot right here, that's part of the linearity connector, the linearity control, that's subject to breaking a little bitty tab. So I recommend, if you're going to do this, disconnect this wire first, either here or where I have it here, and just get it out of the way, because any stress on that's going to break this little tang off, and then your day's kind of wrecked. Right now I have it super glued back together. I'm going to put some epoxy to reinforce it a little bit. I think it'll be okay when it's all said and done, but you can avoid that just by not stressing it out in the first place. Anyway, that's my solution. I was getting ready to do a fresh one here to making these pluggable. I wouldn't recommend doing this on all of them, because for starters, it's pretty much, it's a lot of stress putting them on or off the pin. I wouldn't want to do that if I didn't have to. And frankly, you just don't need to. I mean, I don't like to do work if I don't have to. So the ones that need to come off to make it easy to pull the PC board, this might be a viable solution. More later.